Whew, hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 470. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this one. We're doing it live today. I just got in, so this is going to cut it close, cut it in tight. We'll see how it goes. We have 20 seconds to go. Let me refresh to make sure I'm right. Okay, that shaves like 4 seconds and 1 second. So, yeah, let's just go. We'll see what happens. I got my notebook here ready. We have 10 seconds. We have a lot of cheaters. So it'll be interesting to see. Maybe, I don't know. I'm trying to do a couple more, but we'll see how it goes. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, go, go, go. As usual, there's a lot of loading. Is this normal? I don't know, but it's already 25 seconds and I haven't really, even load the problem yet. So this is kind of annoying. Okay, let's go. All right. The link with the longest subsequent was non-zero. Okay. Basic. Yeah. Otherwise, we just otherwise we just remove one number, right? Except for if they're all if they're all zeros. YOLO, no wrong answer, please. It's way easier to mess up that one, I feel like. Especially since I should probably have checked a little bit more, to be frank. But okay, let's go. K is equal to 1 is standard. If k is more than 1, then yeah. Not hard, but I have to think about it to make sure. I think this is fine. I think that's right. This has to be true, but something like that. Just wait for this, but I want to check a few things real quick. Yeah, that's what I thought. But also want two maybe. Okay, that's also good. YOLO submit. For no wrong answer. Okay. I feel like that one is easy to get wrong as well. Only 56. I feel like I was fast, but not fast enough. 5 people already got this, so we'll see how this goes. Big number. Is it gonna be digit DP? Probably. I didn't even read the problem yet. It's just I saw count and the big number. No zero integers upon let's continue. Five people already got this? I guess Tess sounds like a cheater. But well, there's symmetry. That doesn't help enough. Okay, what does it mean? I mean, it's digit DP for sure, but what does it mean? What does it mean? Yeah, I have to find the digit DP. Okay, so we could enumerate one half, and then the other half, what do we do? Can you enumerate one half? Don't know. Base 9? Are we doing things in base 9? No, it's not base 9. Because you're still adding base 10. Right? And 9 plus 1 is still... okay, if 0 is in... No, that's not true. I was going to say if 0 is thing, but... No, the numbers itself. So the sum can contain zeros. So okay, so maybe it is digit DP. I confused myself a little bit. 10 people already got it though. Okay. does it matter what the number? So then we just count. Because of symmetry, we just count the number of numbers that don't have zeros, right? -1 maybe. So then now this is 10. I think that sounds right. So I just count the number of numbers that don't have zeros. Is that true? Because the mirror can be, right? So, or not the mirror, but the inverse. So you have like, I don't know, 101 plus 10. So if you have 111, then this is not a good example. Okay, maybe just 12. So then we have 113. 12 doesn't have a zero, but 101 does, right? Then how do you check that? How did 10 people get it already? So it's not just counting that. You have to. How? So then it's inclusion, exclusion. How do you do the overlaps though? Because doing the overlap is the same as doing neither. Because you could count one of these and then you could count. Number pairs. Oh. Okay. So just say we have 0, right? Fine. So that's the other number. So we take a 1, then that's. Can we go? Do we go the other way backwards then? 2, 1. We found 3. Okay. We have a 1. We have a carry maybe. So a carry. So we count forwards. Can you count forward though? Okay. So we have a number 2. Okay. And now we have a number 1. Okay. I mean, I guess it is the. Maybe that's just it. One at a time backwards. And a carry bit. Right? Okay, I guess so. Yeah. I usually write DP a different way, but maybe this is not quite the same. So the digit. Whether there's a carry. And this is like a leading 0 type thing, right? lot of people got it. Oh, Alex got it? I guess I'm not surprised if it's digit TP. How do I count? How do I count exactly? I'm trying to find my digit TP ideas. Maybe that's it. I'm trying. Don't know how to. I guess and take no tick, and then calculate the rest. How do you go check? Maybe that's fine. Maybe this is it. Okay, fine. Okay, if we no tick, then we have to go to is there a leading thing? I don't think so. Maybe that's just wrong. Okay, well, tick. Do I need a? I guess. Oh no, leading is for whether we have to continue, right? Okay, so maybe. Right. So then now no tick maybe. right? Leading is not quite the right word. Maybe like just extra. Man, I'm very slow today. Okay. I don't know what keeps beeping in the background. Okay, so then now, okay, so if there's extra, then we just return 0, right? Otherwise, and we're saying that all the other numbers are 0, so then now we have carry, and this is from the n. So we want to reverse this, maybe. Right, so then now we go no, there's no for loop, it's just a count, right? Just checking whether this is correct, right? So okay, so if this is always false, then maybe we just not extra. Okay, so we don't have any leading zeros on the thing, so we have a carry. If we have a carry, then now current is equal to carry, right? If is it just 1 then? Yeah, I guess so. It's just that if there's no, oh no, you have to check whether there's zeros, right? Okay, 4. So for each digit from here, okay, wait. Is it this digit or is it 0? Then check. No, it's digits plus 1, right? I think. Okay, so then now, if s of digit is equal to 0 and not carry, then we return 0. Otherwise, for each digit beyond that, if okay, I think that's what I'm trying to say, and take let's see, for current from 1 to 9, right? What am I doing? Right? Plus 1. Is there a carry? What does that even mean? What am I trying to do here? Okay, so we're looking at this digit. We're going, okay, let's try a 1. Right? now what? And then there's a 3, so then this is going to be, so that means that the mirror number is going to be a 2. And there's no carry, right? So then this is just S of digit minus C. So if this is greater, because if this is now a 4, then there's a carry because this is a 9, right? Yeah. If this is greater than 0, then well, and with a carry, so plus carry. Why does carry? So then now is this plus 1. So then now there's a carry, right? Yeah. Wait, why am I what does extra do? Why would I do zeros? You can't do zeros. Oh yeah, you can't do leading zeros, Larry. Yeah, what am I doing? Different part. I think of different things. Okay, so then now this, else if maybe then 0, then we're good, maybe. I don't know. I don't think this is quite right. YOLO submit real quick. Oh yeah, int. I lost the first, lost the extra. This out of bound. Oh yeah, I don't have a crazy thing. So okay. Almost doesn't matter, right? If digit, and we ran out of numbers because we should have counted previously, right? Int object not callable because C is an object. Okay. Because I am a silly boy. S of digit is out of bounds. Oh, because of S plus 1. That means that if this is out of bounds, then okay. If something like that. This is so hacky though. Uh, 110. Okay. I mean, not close. How many people got it? Tanking rating wise, but oh well. 1 is good. The 2 is not so good. 110. Why did I have 110? 110. 1. Okay, so then now this should be. So this should loop from. Let's see. It goes from 0, 0. Yep. 1, 1. There shouldn't be a carry though, right? Oh, I guess it just gets cached, that's why. But this should show up twice in the middle section, but it only shows up once, right? Oh, that's C+1. Why was C+1? It's C plus carry. What are you doing, Larry? Alright, still wrong, but maybe, hopefully a little bit better. At least it makes sense. So this should, actually this should not, well, okay, maybe that should get caught and it's fine. But, so this is not right because, yeah, okay, I think this is not right. I think it should be here, right? No, you have to do the subset too. But I think I'm doing this wrong. I think you have to take done. This is basically saying it's done, right? But here it should also have a count, I think. Oh, right. Right. All right, now this is way too much because I think of this, right? But why? I think we also overcount this 0, but that's could be just subtracted by 1. Why does this return 1 though? Am I doing this one wrong? If this is less than 0. No, I did it wrong. This is the other way. Okay, maybe that's more reasonable. Okay, I mean it's still, oh, because I overcount the initial 0, but that's still not great that this is 1 though. Why is that 1? Or 0 now? 1 is no bueno, and then you have 2, so you have a carry. Okay, you have a carry. And now the second digit. The second digit has to be 0. That's why. That's why that leading thing. Okay. No. No, this should be here. Did I do that one? Okay. I want to try a big number first. Okay, let me write I should have done this earlier, but okay. If minus I. Okay. J not in the string of I. Just brute force really quick. So that's not right, right? So okay, so save me a little bit of a YOLO submit. Also double check some other cases first. 12, 31. All right, so we're definitely wrong, which is a little bit sad. The brute force is also, you can see that the brute force is good, but we're overcounting and undercounting, which is definitely not a good sign. We're already wrong for 12, so we don't really have to look at anything else for now. 12, we have 8. Why? 12 is why am I so bad today? 111, 2, 10 is not good. 3, 9, 4, 8. Okay, and then it's, oh, this is duped. But we're only counting one of the numbers, so I think that's fine. We just have to count the mirrors. So I think that is fine. So then now just 7, 8, 9, 11, right? So that's why it is 9, but I return 8. Why do I return 8? Because I don't do 2 digits correctly, I guess. Okay, so then now do a 1. Oh, what did I say it was? So 11 and 1. So then I do a 1. Okay, right. And because 1, no carry, 1 minus 1 is, what was it called? 12 minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is greater than 0. So then now digit plus 1, right? And then now digit plus 1 is going to be the extra one. Now 1. Oh, it is because this is equal to, because I don't count the fewer digits enough. Okay, how do I count the fewer digits? Because I just assumed that there would be symmetry out. So then the mirror is going to be zero. So we have to find a mirror where it is not. Okay, so that's where I had the extra 1 thing. I guess I had it, but yeah, okay, fine. Where's my okay, but then now we have to think about the states, right? So okay, this means that this is force because of just how that works. Otherwise, then now, is there a carry? No, it's exactly the same, so there's no carry but true, right? Is this true? Maybe this is true. Then I don't need a -1 because you have to force it, maybe. I don't know if that's quite right actually, but it's fine. Yeah, it's still wrong, unfortunately. Maybe this is force. That one I wasn't sure on. Okay, that one. Oh, I was looking at the wrong spot actually. So. I know 8, that's good. I mean that's not good, but the other way it overcounts, so that's no good, right? Why does that overcount? I think true is more correct, but then now here we do 1, carry is going to be 0, right? But then it becomes true. Is it true? No, we don't want another number in the. No. Okay. So it's so okay. So it means that the other number cannot be whatever anymore. So maybe that's not quite it. Maybe that's just this. That's what this. No, that's. I mean, it is kind of what this was supposed to be. No, that's done for the current number. This is done for the next numbers. That's not quite right. What is quite right? So you have to basically be the prefix, right? So that's just, that is the same as this, right? Is it not? Maybe it is. Now it's giving the right answers, so. Okay, now it's giving the right answers. Good. Maybe that's too big, I don't know. 65. No, still wrong. 100 was right though, but I was hopeful. Okay, that's why you tested it though. Maybe 2 digits are wrong. It's kind of, or more than 2 digits rather. Because okay, so then why? Right. So if it's because one. Why am I so bad at this today? So if one of the numbers is 0, then okay. So this case, if it's not the same, then maybe I just have to. Okay, so if it's exactly the same, then you have this thing maybe. I don't know. Okay. I mean, now it's just wrong again. It is something like this though, but I'm not handling right. Okay. So what does this true mean? This means that the mirror is done. Okay, so maybe that's just done with the mirror, and that means that C has to be exactly the same, right? What am I doing wrong? Minus, like, why is the other thing wrong? What is the case in which that's not true? I mean, it doesn't matter. I don't want to write it out. Why is this overcounting? Is it just? So 200 is already wrong. Maybe even like. Maybe I just got lucky. These numbers are not monotonically increasing actually. That is actually a little bit surprising, but maybe not if I just thought about it. Okay. So something like double carry something, maybe? Something weird with the carry. Maybe that's why. Well, carry doesn't make sense, right? So there's no carry anymore. Right? Yeah, by definition. Because they're the same. This is frustrating because I feel like it wasn't that hard, but maybe it is to me. missing here? Okay, so what is this saying? This is saying that it's a 0. That means that the other number has to be 0. So then why is this not right? I have to go through it. I just print it out, so maybe it gives me some insight. It runs out of space. Okay, fine. Let's just remove the 100. 1 and 100. Okay, 2 is okay. Maybe that's fine. That's 81. Why did I give 90? There's no 3-digit things, so that's actually a little bit awkward. What am I overcounting? If this is exactly, then the other digit is done, and then this number only has one possibility, right? Why is this wrong? Okay, so let's say this. What am I overcounting? Overcounting the 5s, maybe? Like, am I double counting a number? No, I mean, there's only one number in which that would be the case. And there really only is 9 numbers every 9, so why would you get an extra 9? What about, okay, 1 is going to be, is that right? 1 is 109. Oh, okay. That actually is something. Okay, 109. Okay, because I don't think I handled this. Okay, so I go this, but then now what's 1 and 109? So we have 1 and we're saying we're done, right? Okay, think. Okay, so let's say you have 1, so that means that the other number digit is a 9, but then now this has a, no, but then why would it overcount? Oh no, because it's subtracted 1, because there is a carry. No, that's this thing, right? Oh wait, no. So 109 is the mirror number. No, but the number is 110, right? So it doesn't find it. It doesn't find the 0 there. So okay, so here it doesn't find the 0, but there's a carry. So we didn't think about carry. Okay, so then now and do you handle in carry well maybe? Okay, so because, oh yeah, because, okay, so then now if s of digit minus carry is equal to 0, return 0. Well, alright, well, that really changed it. Why is that? Well, I mean, that's not even useful, but okay, maybe we can actually. Because that's actually not that useful, but so the digit is 109. So carry on the last bit, okay, 1. The digit is 1, the carry bit is 1, so then, but then the caching is not helping. I mean, I think that's it, but something like this, but I can't. Carry as well, maybe. So we have a 2. Okay, so let's say what number is this? 110. So then we have a 1, right? So 0 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is going to be 2. So then now we check for the second digit. So 1 1 fourths. Right. That's fine. But then I guess it is technically right. But then now, okay, let's say we have 11, right? Well, no, this is, well, it's 110. Why am I so bad? Okay. Okay. So 110 minus, so you have 1. So just recursive, right? And then now that means that you have a 1 in the thing, carry, and this would just never be true, right? So, this will never be true rather. So this will always have a 1. So you can't do a 0, but if you do a 1, then now it has another carry. And then now, and then now it is, because now you have 1 digit left, and this is true. Okay, I see. But this is only true if Sn is like greater than digit or something, right? Because that means you have more digits, right? Something like that, maybe. But I mean, it doesn't really make sense because we handled it here. But so the digit is equal. So if this is the last digit, then we're okay, right? But if it is not, okay, I mean, now we are Gucci again. Painfully so. Okay, let's bring back some of those. Let's just try a big one. I mean, if it works with that one, it's probably fine. No! I was hopeful. I don't know what I'm doing well. I mean, I think the idea is right. I'm just not implementing it well or something. Or maybe there's just more cases, right? Even 200 is wrong. Is my old case of 100 right? That's not even a given. I guess that is good actually. That's right, but 200 is wrong, which is not great. Yeah, even 150 is right. So is it like a 200 thing? Like a so 200 is wrong. That's interesting. Maybe I have 35 minutes left. I'm overcounting again. Why am I overcounting again? It's more interesting to find the ones that I'm overcounting, but I don't know if there's an easy way to do it. But I'm overcounting. What could I possibly be overcounting by? I guess I don't really use extra. There's always a carry, but shouldn't be the case though, right? Oh, I guess for 200 it is the case, actually. Yeah, okay, fine. Is this the case? I don't know. I mean, this looks right though, because that's just 20, I think, right? Okay, maybe not. Maybe there's an extra number, but well, maybe. I don't know. Oh no, well, it's -1 because of the 0, I think, so I think that's fine. But wait, this matches, right? What was I doing wrong? Oh no, this is the right answer, that's why. Okay, I'm confusing my print statements and my audit things. Okay. So 162 is the right one and the right 171. And this is like really not descriptive. It just depends on the. No, because now it's counting all of these as true, and maybe parts of this. So that's probably why. Because it only causes here, so then it's just some combination of these two things. The intended answer is 162. So with nine extra. Don't know which 9 that might be though. I don't know how I fixed it the first time, really. Oh, I guess I did because of this carry thing. If there are no more digits, is this true? What am I doing? Oh, this means that the current digit is 0, because this is the current digit for the other one. And if there are more digits than 0. You can't keep carrying, right? That's not a thing. No. As of digit minus. No, it has to match. Yeah, I mean, we were trying to match, right? So, no. Is this one? I mean, maybe, but I don't know. Maybe this is just one of the days I'm not solving it, but I mean, and I know that this doesn't, the extra doesn't do anything, but should I? don't know where this beeping keeps on coming from. Oh, no, that's not my fire alarm. Maybe I just need to do my. Alright, maybe this idea is too crazy. Let me copy the code somewhere safe, and I'll just. Well, we'll see if I can restart. Maybe I have to do them at the same time. Is that it? Is that easier? Maybe that's how Alex got it so quickly. Okay. What would it look like if I try to do them both at the same time? Carry. What do I call it? Prefix A maybe? How do I look? 27 minutes. Can I do 27 minutes? Maybe leading suit. Okay, so what, now what does it look like? Okay, so it's called index. I always call it index, but yeah, okay. Oh, SN. If carry 0 and if leading A, what is leading? Okay, so if carries equal to 1. If carries equal to 1, you just don't do anything, right? I don't know why I don't put in the same one, but okay. I keep on forgetting what I want. What does that mean? Contains leading zeros, which means that it can have zeros. Okay, I think that's what basically means. But why the? That's fine. I don't know why it looks awkward though. Okay, and then now it's just about brute force maybe. hell that beep? Can you hear the beep? I don't know. Okay. Oh yeah, we want to say if not leading A, then we continue, right? Because okay. Is this easier? I don't know. Is this fast enough to true? I guess this is just a lot of, I mean, only 15 digits. It should be fine, but still a little bit messy looking, right? Actually, B is equal to, okay, so this is equal to the target, right? I'm actually kind of hungry too. Is it -1 or +1? I'm so tired. Okay, so okay, so then now B is equal to, right? That's basically what I was doing though. Why am I, okay, maybe I'm just not handling the leading zeros correctly. Okay. Can this be true? There's 10 and 9. I don't think this can be true. But maybe. I don't know how this can be true. But I'm just confused these days. Okay, and then how much time? 20 minutes. If B is 0, 0, and we no longer allow B to be 0, then we just skip. Otherwise, okay. Otherwise, what are we doing? I have to take care of prefix as well. That be If we're still looking at the prefix, what is prefix again? I'm confusing myself. It means that that means that it matches the prefix of the. Do we still need prefix if we're counting up or down? I'm confused. I'm confusing things because I'm counting this on the bottom, but then I'm doing prefix, so that doesn't make sense, right? But that doesn't make sense. Okay. But then now, how does carry get used then? So we assume that there's going to be a carry from the future, is it? This is messy. This is why you usually do. But this is so hard. So this, yeah, okay, no. And I'm passing out. Just do it this way, I don't know. And hoping that it is fast enough. We have 15 minutes left. Maybe this is just not my day. I got the other two pretty quickly, but and I think I have the idea, but yeah, I don't know. So basically, it's saying that we need a carry, right? So if there's a carry, maybe put need carry. So then now it is going to be target plus need carry times 10 is equal to a plus b. All right. Maybe it's just not my day. I'm not getting it. It's too lazy to do the math, really. But okay, so then now, maybe I just do. I can actually probably do math on this. This is terrible. 0, 1, right? If this is true, then total f of index plus 1 new carry. How do I update prefix a? Because I have to update it. Target A? No, I mean that's fine. And then leading A and leading B. Just like not. Right, so leading A and A is 0, 0. Something like that, maybe. Missing the base case somewhere. No, it should be here. What am I missing? Does this happen at all? Doesn't seem like it. Right? Oh, well, I don't kick it off, Larry. That makes it hard. Need carry, no. Need prefix A, true, 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 true. I was hoping. Regex not subscribable. Oh, wait, where is this? Oh, no, this is fine then. Carry is not defined. Yeah, I think that's fair. Okay, there's a lot of happen printed. Okay, so at least it does stuff. Am I lucky? Let's try a bigger number. Hopefully this is fast enough. There's still the boot code for. Ooh. Alright. I guess that was it. I guess I should have. I tried to be too clever, maybe. YOLO submit. I mean, about 9 minutes. If it's wrong, it's well. I try to be too clever with all the math, and yeah. I mean, that's how Alex did it so quickly. I mean, well, Alex is also like just really smart, right? Just to be clear. But yeah, dropped like a tank. 500 people got this correct. Should have gotten this one. Congrats to Alex. I saw him earlier. But the cheating updates are kind of weird, so I don't know, right? Man, I'm donating rating. But it is what I mean. I don't know. It's kind of funny because like you look at the cheaters, and I still beat the cheaters on Q1, 2, and 3. Well, not all of them, but but you know, a good amount of them, which is kind of amusing. I don't know, but Q4 maybe. I think I just got stuck trying to be too clever. I think now that I see it this way, maybe it's possible. 5 minutes is still pretty short, but like I think if they just double amount that, maybe it would have been fine. I don't know, a mess. I mean, I think we talked about this. I guess we didn't, but I mean, this is more for the retro thing. But what I was going to say is that sometimes you just get stuck on one idea and you can do it. And I kind of just had to reset myself. And I mean, this looks ugly, and even this looks ugly. I mean, because you could probably do the math here, right? It's not hard to do the math, but I think I just got stuck in trying to, and that's what I was trying to do. I thought I could do the mirror thing, but I definitely tried too hard to do the mirror thing. Yeah, don't know how what to say about that one. Yeah, I'm just disappointed a little bit because it's one of those things where once you look at the answer, you're like, well, this should be obvious, but instead, you know, and I really had a chance if I had 17 minutes, I would have been like top. Like I took 10 minutes to do it, which is actually possible because I had the idea quickly. Maybe not, maybe 15. Say it still would have been very fast. But I thought I saw Alex. Maybe I lied. It seems like a cut. Like I wouldn't be surprised if Alex dominated this one. But I don't see him for whatever reason. But yeah, I mean overall Q1, 2, and 3 were pretty straightforward, right? At least to me, because it was 3. Oh yeah, the stack one. I don't even remember anymore because that was an hour ago. But yeah, not no wrong answer though. But yeah, I think I was just trying too hard to do the math. And I thought I could just hold it with the mirror. I think I didn't think I had to keep explicit state, but honestly, the states are not that hard, so I should have just done it that way. The n is 15. This is 15 times, 2 to the 5. Should have been there. What a silly boy. I'm trying to prematurely optimize, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, sorry, I'm just chatting on the Discord. Yeah, that's all I have for this one. All disappointment, to be frank. I'm gonna get some food, but Yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Hope y'all have a great contest. And yeah, stay good, stay healthy, take good mental health. I'll see y'all later and take care. Bye bye.